I'll be honest with you, I've never been happier to be in the kitchen, just to see so many people going for the same thing for different reasons and striving for their dreams. It's amazing. For me personally, my journey, I needed to go to school. I needed to understand the system behind the system and understand that everything has its place so that I could execute dishes perfectly. Everything has gotten exponentially better just from going to school.
We have an amazing culinary arts program here at Los Angeles Trade Tech. We have a professional baking program, a culinary arts program, and a restaurant management program. Many of our students actually go through all three programs, and you can complete all of them in less than 2 years. We're very diverse, and we love helping students achieve the goals that they set for themselves. We are unique here at LA Trade Tech Culinary Arts Pathway in that we start out, many of our students have no experience whatsoever. And then 6 months later, or 8 months later, or 12 months later, they actually will be looking at that chicken saying, I'm gonna be the next Food Network star, and I'm gonna be the executive chef at the Peninsula Hotel in Beverly Hills. And it's amazing because many of our students go on and they're so successful.
There's some beautiful stories in this kitchen, man. Some beautiful, beautiful stories, and I'm thankful that I'm a part of it.